Hey, it's Bree with So Not Crazy. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a really cute Christmas tree ornament using just this wooden ring and a piece of cord, whatever color you like. This one is like a sage green, so I just think that that is perfect for Christmas time. And this is 3mm single strand cotton cord, and it is about 5 feet long. If your cord is thinner, you'll want it to be longer to be able to wrap all the way around the wooden ring. And we're basically just going to be using a lark's head knot and then fake lark's head knots all the way around. And then you'll also need something else, whatever you want, in order to make a bow at the top of your ornament. I have lots of scrap pieces of cord, so that is what I'm using. You can use ribbon or whatever you have laying around. So to get started, I'm taking my piece of cord and folding it in half. Now with this loop, I'm going to again make a lark's head knot. I'm putting the loop over the wooden ring and then pulling these two pieces of cord through and just pulling tight. And that's it. That's a lark's head knot. Now to continue wrapping this cord all the way around, we're going to make fake lark's head knots. So we take this right side cord that we're going to use to go to the right. I put it over my wooden ring and leave the loop, and then pull the long loose piece through the loop, pull it tight. And to complete it, I now go behind the wooden ring, pull the loose piece through that loop, and pull it tight. Now we have what look like two lark's head knots, but you know, this one we did the fake way. And then we just keep going like that until we run out of cord on this side, and then we will go on the other side. So let me show you how to do the fake lark's head knot going towards the left, because sometimes simply switching the hand we're using or the way that the cord is going can really trick our brain, and we feel like, wait, what do I do? So using the left hand piece of cord from our original lark's head knot, you're going to go over your wooden ring, leave the loop, and then pull that loose piece through that loop, and then pull it tight. And then go behind the wooden ring, and then pull it through that loop, and pull it tight. And then once you wrap it all the way around, it should look something like this. And then you're just going to tie a regular double knot up here at the top. This will be, you know, the little part you hang your ornament from your tree. And then this is what the finished ornament looks like. So I just made, again, a bow out of scrap cord. You see I have my knot tied at the top. I also like to use either some E6000 glue or some hot glue just to really reinforce this little knot. We don't want it to come untied. So I just kind of dab glue where the knot, like where we pulled these pieces through. And then you can trim this excess off if you want. I do the same thing with the glue on the bow, because I don't want that to come undone either. And then you hot glue, or you can use this as well to attach the bow onto your ornament. That is it, and I'll show you a couple more colors that I made. I just think these are so cute. They're so easy and fast to make. The possibilities are endless with the cotton cord colors that are out there. Let me see what you've done, either by emailing me at sonotcrazy@hotmail.com or post a picture on social media and tag me at sonotcrazy. Hope you had fun.